Windows Sandbox is a helpful tool. You can use it to run another instance of Windows on your operating system. In this video, you will know what Windows Sandbox is, how to enable and use it. So let's start this video. What is Windows Sandbox? Windows Sandbox is a lightweight desktop environment to run applications in isolation. Anything you do in this environment doesn't affect the host machine. Windows Sandbox is extremely useful when you are running suspicious applications on your computer. When you have an application that you are not sure if it is safe or not, you can't run it directly on your main computer, as that application could be malware, and you might lose all of your essential files. In such a case, you can use Windows Sandbox, so even if that app is malware, it won't affect your host computer and data. Once you close the sandbox, all the data, including installed applications, will be deleted. When you open the sandbox again, it appears fresh and clean. So next time, when an unknown person sends you a file, you should open it in the sandbox to check if it doesn't contain malware infection. So let's see how to enable Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is available on Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education Edition. It can also be used on Windows 11, but it is not available on Windows 10 Home or Windows 11 Home. To use it, virtualization should be enabled from the BIOS. The most modern computer comes with virtualization, so you can easily enable it from your BIOS. To check if virtualization is enabled on your PC or not, open the command prompt as administrator. Type systeminfo.exe and hit enter. In the Hyper-V requirements section, you will see virtualization enabled in firmware. If it is saying no, it is disabled. If it is saying yes, then it is enabled. If you see a hypervisor has been detected, it also means virtualization is enabled. If it is disabled, restart your PC and press the F2 or delete key to enter BIOS. The key to enter BIOS could be different for your PC. You should check on the internet to know it. Once you are in BIOS, find the virtualization section and enable it. To enable the Windows Sandbox, go to Start and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Here you will see several Windows features. The features that have check marks are enabled, and that don't have check marks are not enabled. We need to look for Windows Sandbox, so scroll down. Once you find it, enable the check mark. Click OK. Now Windows will install the feature. It will take a few seconds. Then you'll have to restart your Windows PC. After the restart, you can access the Windows Sandbox. To open it, type Windows Sandbox on the Start and click on it. How to use Windows Sandbox. You can see a fresh Windows 10 desktop in the Sandbox. If you look into the installed programs, you will find none. Only the essential applications are loaded, such as Edge, OneDrive, Notepad, Command Prompt, etc. If you open the File Manager, you will not find anything. Only the system drive is available here, so there is no way to access the files on the host machine also. If you want to run an application, you will have to copy its installer, paste it on the sandbox, and run it. If you're going to scan the application using antivirus, you will have to install the antivirus the same way. Once you are satisfied with the application, you can run it on your main computer. If you close the Windows Sandbox, it shows you a warning that once Windows Sandbox is closed, all of its content will be discarded and permanently lost. It is not saved anywhere to protect your host computer. If you click OK, Windows will disappear. When you open the Windows Sandbox again, you will see that the installed application is no longer here. It is a freshly installed version of Windows 10. So whenever you close the Sandbox and reopen it, it appears as a new Windows PC. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.